How to add business hours in Telegram. Telegram does not have a built-in business hours feature, but here are 3 effective ways to display your business hours in your Telegram profile, group or bot just using native tools. Option 1 is to add business hours to your Telegram bio. For personal or business accounts, simply open the Telegram, go to settings at the bottom. It's right here, then tap onto your profile right here, my profile. Then here you can find edit option, tap on it. Then right here on the bio you can simply add the business hours and tap on to done. Next option is pin a message in your channel or group. Now simply go to one of the channel or group just like this and tap on to the message, and from here simply add your business hours and you can simply pin the message for everyone. And the option 3 is use a bot for auto replies. If you want to auto respond outside business hours, use a bot like MiniBot or autoresponder bot, or build one with bot father plus webhook. And by doing this you can simply add your business hours. And that's it. This is how you can add business hours in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.